Hey, welcome back. Alright, I'm finally able to come out here and do a range test on this FIMI X8 SE. I have, hopefully I can get out to at least 2 miles and get back safely. So just stay tuned and we'll be right up. Alright guys, I'm back and I've done all my checks, and I've done my compass calibration, my gyro calibration, and also I did a gimbal calibration as well. I'm out here with my man Corey. He's flying his Phantom 3 Standard, and what I'm going to do is actually just head out over this tree line here, and there's a big open area out there, wetlands out here, and I'm just going to go ahead and take it straight up and out and hope for the best. I'm going to start my on my screen record. Alright, that started. I'm going to start the onboard DVR. Here we go, and I'm just going to go ahead and do an auto takeoff. Alright, let's go. Alright, we'll let it sit here for a minute. Right now we're at 97%, and we have 12 satellites. Hopefully we can acquire some more. Alright, 15 now that I'm up in the air and everything. Alright, so we've got 15 satellites. Lower the gimbal a little bit. See if I can, everything is set to auto. Set these things set to auto. Alright, lighten it up just a little bit. Alright, I think we're good to go. No taller boiling. Ready? Just take it up and out. Alright, so I'm trying to hold, I'll go up to maybe 300 feet, bring this gimbal down a little bit, getting the props on the screen. Alright, let's continue going forward. So across the water there, across these wetlands, that is a no-fly zone. That is I guess a wildlife preserve, and that's a no-fly zone. So I'm going to stick to closer to this side of the water, the wetlands. Turn to the right a little. I'm a little nervous. I've flown over water before, but I've flown with my JJRC X12. Let's bring it up a little bit. The FPV is getting a little choppy now. Bring it up to like 350. Close to 350. There you go. Get these antennas out. Up this way. Yes, Mama. Oh, cool. Cool. So we're gonna play the spy game after Daddy does this range test, okay? All right. I'm gonna look for you guys with the drone. Let's bring it up a little further. Let's bring it up a little higher. 59, almost 6,000. All right, it's cutting out. Looks like it's returning home. Just got signal back, so let's cancel that. Wait till we get FPV back. Alright, look like it's turning around, so let's cancel that. Turn back around. I'm only been flying for 3 minutes. The FPV signal, see, they're gonna have to improve this a little. And returning back home. Alright, let's try to get FPV back again, and we'll just try it one more time. So it's returning home. Let's wait till we get this FPV back. Okay. Once I get it back, here we go. We got it back. Cancel it. Let's turn it around. Now let's head towards the middle there. Raise it up a little bit. We'll probably raise it to the max. This tree line might be affecting it. Oops, sorry for that, y'all. Alright, let's go. This thing's so responsive. Alright, drone has reached max altitude. That's cool. Alright, it doesn't look like I'm getting past 63. Oh, let's see, it's still going, still going. Actually, no. Alright. So, 64. I believe it was like 6,400, somewhere around there. 6,412. 100 feet. So it should be returning home. That was a short range test. Alright, let's do this one more time. I got 77%. Let's try it one more time. Alright, let's turn around. I'm at max altitude. And let's see if I can get somewhere. No, it's not letting me. Maybe. Let's see, I'm still pushing it. Man, it's like fighting to get. Let me see if I move back just a little bit. No. Increase the angle a little bit, or decrease the angle. Man. Look at it. I have RC signal is like full, but the FPV signal sucks. So I'm just gonna let it come home, and then we're gonna do a precise landing. I have the precise landing feature set to on, so let's see what kind of precise landing we get. Now I'm waiting for FPV to come back, so hopefully it's taking a long time to come back now. Alright, it's back. Well, getting RC signal. Hopefully the FPV comes back. Video signal comes back. It's coming back home at 20 miles per hour. Okay, here we go. Nice. So let's I wonder. Alright. I'm gonna try it one more time. I got 70%. One more time. For the road. Let's go. I want to get past 6,400. I want to get past. Just angle my antennas a little differently. Let's see, where am I at in orientation? Okay, I'm pointing directly at the aircraft. 5,100. Yeah, FPV is going out. Yeah, it's Alright, well, I tried. I tried. 64 was the max. I turned it around like 3 or 4 times. So that's it. Hopefully I can get somewhere where you know, it's not too much interference.
Yeah, I definitely want to try that the place that you were pointing to before.
Yeah. Oh, over there in Winchester, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, that seemed like perfect. No obstacles in the way. Off a hilltop, but that's yeah. You said it was a state park, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. So, all right, guys. So, 6,400 I think is the max I can get out here. 6,400 feet. Sorry to disappoint some people, but I can only get what I can get out here. I'm going to try to get a different location, move to a different location where there's less interference, less obstacles. But I appreciate you guys watching. I appreciate those who support the channel, who have subscribed already. If you haven't subscribed and you like this content, consider. Go ahead and consider subscribing. Smash that subscribe button. And also hit that like button if you like the video. And also don't forget to hit that notification bell so you'll know the next time I post videos. And I will be doing another test on this, another range test in an open area. We'll see what we can get, and I will also do a range test with parabolic dishes. I do need to test a couple more. I'm sorry, I need to test a couple more features, smart features on this aircraft as well. So that should be coming up. But we're doing the precise landing now, and we'll see how close it can get to the landing pad. What I'm going to do is move my box here. Move it a little further away. Here's my gimbal guard. So I picked up this gimbal guard here on Banggood for like $6, I think $4 or $5 or something like that. Helps a lot. Let's see if I can lower this. Ugh, increasing the EV value. Alright, it's right over us. Sorry for messing up the video. Get some contrast. Here we go. Darken it up a little bit. I think we set the auto. It's hard to tell with it being, you know, daylight out here, and it's coming right over here. Yeah, so maybe you want to move to the left a little, or that way. Oh, you got it? Okay. Landing pad not detected, but it's like right there, so hopefully it gets it. Alright. Landing pad not detected. Let's see. It's not. It's not gonna hit it. So cancel that. Turn it around. Alright, cancel. Turn it home. Cool. Alright, let's land it manually. Let's see. Check out my skills. Let's see what I can do. Alright. Seems like it drifts. As soon as right before you get it down. Alright. Let's turn this off.
recording style.
All right, guys. So that's it. That's it for the range test. Let me turn this off here. Yeah, that's it for the range test. I was expecting to get more. Got a little over a mile, and yeah, I was definitely expecting to get at least 2 miles. You know, got close to it, but you know, I wanted to at least to get out there a little bit. There is a couple obstacles. I have this tree line here, and I mean, we are in a kind of a populated area with some power lines around and everything, so there is going to be some interference here. So on the other side of this tree line, or on the other side of the wetlands, there is a area where I probably can launch from, where you can actually see the whole wetlands, and it's a big open area, straight line of sight. So I might try that next time and see how far I can get out. But anyway, so if you guys like this video, go ahead and like it. Hit that like button. Also, like I mentioned before, if you like this content, go ahead and subscribe, and also hit that notification bell so you'll know the next time I post my videos. So until next time, peace.